Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss some operators in C++. We are also going to learn about if-else statements, if statements and if-else if statements. Let's get started. First, we are going to discuss some operators, which are these: plus, minus, multiply, divide and modulus operators. You have heard these operators before in your daily life in mathematics, but this modulus operator, this is new for you guys. This modulus operator means remainder. This is used to find the remainder while dividing two values. Let's move forward. Now we are going to discuss some relational operator that relates to values. First comes less than, greater than, equal to. In C++, we don't write equal to like this. This means assignment operator. This assigns some value to some variable. To compare two values, if they are equal or not, we use two equal tos like this. Then comes less than equal to. Similarly, greater than equal to. Then there are also some logical operators in C++ known as AND, OR, and NOT. These operators are used for some logical expressions. Then comes the arithmetic assignment operators, such as A is equal to A plus B, can also be written as A plus equals to B. This is the name of first variable in which you have to store the value. Like this, A, we have to store the value in the A. A is containing some value from before. For example, let's take A is equal to 0. Then we are doing A and B is equal to 4. We just do A is equal to A plus B. This means now A has a value of 4. We can do it in short forms. We just have to write A plus equal to B. That means we are just assigning the value of sum of these two variables. Similarly, we can write A into B assigned to A like this. Similarly, the other two, for minus and for divide. Some more operators that are used in C++ are the increment operator, that is A, some name of variable, that is A, and plus plus, which means add 1 to the A. Like these statements mean, if A has value of 4, if we do A plus plus, it will add 1 to A. It means A is equal to A plus 1. That's what A plus plus means. Similarly, A minus minus. This is known as decrement operator. It means A has some value 1 or 2. A minus minus means that A is equal to A minus 1. Easy. Let's move on to our control statements, which are if and if else. First, let's study what is if statement. If statement means that if our given condition is true, then execute certain block of statements. So first we are going to check which value is greater. The user have to write two values, then we'll check which value is greater. So let's write a program. let's say we have integer type data type variable student1. Similarly, student2. These are two variables. Then what do? We just write cout enter marks of students, handle then scene student1, student2, like this. Then let's run the program first and see what happens. Here it is. It says enter marks of students. So I write 4 for 1 and 5 for 2. It vanishes. Just like system pause. So let's move on. Now we have to check which student have greater marks. So we type the if statement, then we type student if student1 like this have greater marks than student2. Cout student1 have greater marks, just like this, and we'll end the statement with endl, and we'll just write else nothing after it, and we write cout student2 have greater marks. And handle. Let's run the program and see what happens. Here we have enter marks of the student. So let's write 65 for student1 and we write 72 for student2. Look, what does it say? It says student2 have greater marks. So that was for today. In the next lecture, we'll learn our next control statement, that is if else if. So like this, if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends so they can have knowledge from it, and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Thank you very much.